I know you already know about its response toward physical stimuli like touch, but have you ever wondered how it works? In this video, I'm gonna discuss why leaves of touch me not plant fold up when touched. So let's get it done. The mechanism of this action could be understood easily through a process called osmosis. I know most of you already know about osmosis, but for those who don't, osmosis is a process in which the molecule of a solvent tends to pass through a semi-permeable membrane from less concentrated site to site having higher concentration. The purpose of osmosis is to maintain the equal concentration on either side of the solution. For convenience, let concentration in this case be molarity. So suppose if the number of moles of solute in A increases, then the solvent from B must move toward A to increase the volume of solution at A, maintaining the concentration of each side to be equal. Now when you touch or disturb a touch-me-not plant, this stimulus is transmitted as an action potential. This action potential causes potassium ion to flow out of the cell. Due to this, amount of solute in this cell decreases. So as already described, due to osmosis, the concentration will maintain itself. Therefore, the solvent from this cell, that is water in this case, must flow out of this cell to keep the concentration constant. This makes the cell lose turgor, which is the force applied by the water onto the wall of this cell. Due to this loss of force, the cell collapses, resulting in the fold up of leaves of the touch-me-not plant, aka Mimosa pudica. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you have learned something new from this video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe my channel.